Hey folks, Brian Persad here. I wanted to give you a construction update on 169 Jones and St. Leslieville. So I'm inside here in St. Leslieville to let you know that we received the full OMB approval to build here.
The church is currently being used as a sales center as we got to get the process started for construction. We're going to be closing down soon, so get in while you can.
So if you're interested, this is going to be your last chance to get in before construction begins. So if you want to get your plans customized at St. Leslieville, now is the time to get it done before building permits. Give us a shout, www.stleslieville.com.